In this video, I'm going to show you how you can invite members to a Slack audio chat. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to start an audio chat in Slack, first I'll go ahead and click on Huddle. And this will go ahead and automatically launch this audio chat. Now I'll go ahead and first mute and then show you how to invite members. Now to invite members to this audio chat, you can see here the audio chat is currently live. However, I'm told that you are the only one here. So I'd like to go ahead and invite members. To invite members, you can go ahead and click on invite someone here. And this will take you to this invite page where I can go ahead and invite all the members, or I can see the list of members that are on this workspace and I can click on any of them to invite them. Alternatively, if you head over here, you can see the chat is on. And then you can just click on this icon and then go ahead and invite people. So if you want to invite all of them, just go ahead and click on the first option. However, if you want to invite specific people, you can just tap on their names here. So I'd like to invite everyone, so I'll just go ahead and click on send invite and they will all receive the invitation. So by doing that, they have received now the invitation and they can now join. So that's how you can invite members to a voice chat in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.